Hello, my name is Abir and I'm from Skill Curb. And today we will talk about a feature in Power BI which is the Q&A feature. The Q&A feature in Power BI lets you explore your data in your own words. In this lab, we will see how we can apply this with different examples. So let's get started. So I will be discussing two ways of accessing Q&A. So let's talk about the first one. You can simply click on the icon here in the visualization pane and a Q&A prompt will pop up. Now here you can see some suggested questions by the Power BI. There is a question bar at the top as well where you can ask the questions and see the results accordingly. So for example, if I click on the first suggested question, which is on the top customer by the total sale, we will be able to see our bar chart. Now, another way to access Q&A prompt is to double click on the canvas and the Q&A prompt will appear. Now, in this example, I will write the question as to show me the total sales by the customer name and we can see a bar chart has appeared. Now, if you want to change the chart, we can simply write it in the question bar. Like here, let's write in table. I want to view the total sales by the customer name as a table format. And there, you can see that we are able to see the table. Now you can turn this visual into a standard one and not a Q&A one. You can simply click on this button on the top right and there you have a standard table created for this example. This ends our lab here. Thank you so much for watching.